Hello, this is Peter Buchach with Mentis showing you the Vitals tab of the Mentis G5 simulator. I actually have the Vitals tab open over here on my computer. Once we open the tab, we have quite a bit of information that is accessible to us. We have the 3 different ECG readouts from 3 different leads. We've got our heart rate, we have our respiratory rate, we have our oxygen saturation, and then we also have our aortic pressure. If we look over here at the top of the screen, we have quite a few buttons. We've got the rate at which the ECG peaks form. We've got the scale of our ECG as well. And then we also have our ECG beep. I can also change the lead readout by hitting Change Lead over here on the left side of the screen, giving me a couple of other different options. Finally, if I have a catheter in the system, the AO pressure curve will be showing. I can change the scale by hitting these 2 scale buttons over here on the left bottom side of the screen as well. Once again, this is Peter Buchach with Mentis showing you the Vitals tab on the Mentis G5 simulator.